In this video, I'll show you how to master Google AI Studio in 2026. If you're already familiar with the basics and want to get more from Google AI Studio, this guide will help you build a more efficient workflow for prompting, coding, testing, and creating AI-powered projects. First, open Google AI Studio on your PC or laptop and sign in with your Google account. Start by becoming comfortable with the main workspace. Explore the prompt area, available Gemini models, project options, developer tools, and any other features currently available in your account. The first skill to master is prompt writing. Avoid vague instructions and give Gemini clear information about the task, context, audience, format, and expected result. For complex requests, break the task into smaller steps. This can make your prompts easier to understand and your results easier to evaluate. Next, learn how to test and refine your prompts. Don't stop after getting one good response. Try different inputs and compare the results. If a response isn't what you want, identify the specific problem and adjust your instructions. Over time, you'll learn which prompt structures work best for your tasks. You should also explore different Gemini models when they are available to you. Different models may be better suited for different types of work, such as writing, reasoning, coding, or multimodal tasks. If you're interested in development, practice generating and reviewing code. Ask Gemini to explain code, find potential bugs, create tests, or suggest improvements. For advanced projects, learn how API access works. Keep your API keys secure, use appropriate authentication methods, and monitor your usage and applicable limits. Another important skill is organization. Keep useful prompts in projects clearly named so you can find them quickly later. You should also learn how to evaluate AI responses. Never assume that an AI-generated answer is automatically accurate. Verify important facts and test generated code before using it. For business or professional projects, consider privacy and security from the beginning. Avoid exposing confidential information and make sure your workflow follows the relevant policies. Finally, keep experimenting. Try creating an AI assistant, a content generator, a coding tool, or an automated workflow. The more projects you build, the better you'll understand how to use Google AI Studio effectively. And that's how you can master Google AI Studio in 2026. Focus on strong prompts, careful testing, model selection, secure API usage, organized projects, and continuous experimentation. With practice, Google AI Studio can become a powerful environment for exploring Gemini and building practical AI-powered solutions. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel,